All right, so here is a quick overview video of how go backs work in DBX. So we're going to start with this super simple job, right? There's only three phases: excavation, steel, and plumbing. And you'll notice the excavation phase is 100% complete. The phase is marked complete. The work order is done, right? We're moving on to steel. It's scheduled. The PO has actually been ordered. All right, that's what it looks like here. But let's say, okay, something happened with our excavation. Maybe our hole caved in or something. I don't know. We need to go, we need to go back to go fix that, right? So the way to do that is you go to the customer job. So you can right click here, open in a new tab. All right. Here's our job with our three phases. And we do this through an addendum. So if you hover over this icon, we can go down to add addendum. And now you have to create these stock items beforehand. And we're not going to go into all of that right now in this video. But I happen to know that there's a stock item for the go back for the excavation. Here it is. It's clearly labeled, so I know what it is. Work order, go back excavation, right? And so if I save that and I approve it, I have to hit the addendum tab right here so I can go down and refulfill the addendum only. All right, now if we go back to our product management view, we see that now that's at 50% instead of 100% like it was before. So let's go in there and look at it. Here's our go back work order that we can assign to somebody to go do. All right, it's assigned to the same person. All right, so that's created right here. Work order go back. 0 out of 100 or 0 out of 1, so it's not complete yet. And I want to show you where we can find those. So we can find them right here if we go to go backs in this tab. And there's our go back right there. Kind of a nice quick way to do it. And then you'll notice that there's also these other filters right here: open, pending, ordered, closed. So just pay attention to those if you're looking for a specific go back. You can also find them in purchase orders down here. Go backs up here. It's essentially the same view. Now let's open this go back up work order. That is not the correct one, excuse me. See, this is why I need to focus on these tabs. I just did the wrong thing. I did the open instead of the ordered. There it is, ordered. Now let's open that up. This is the go back right here. And we can say, okay, this is done. We can hit save. Now this is closed. Go back has been completed. Go back to our project management view if I can find it. All right, let's just go back here. And I believe it was job, there we go, 163. So we can just focus right in on the job and nothing else. And then we're back at 100%. And our go back work order is listed there just so that we have it for reference. And that's how you do a go back if you need to go fix something on your job. You do it through an addendum again by going here, hitting addendum, and adding your go back stock. And let me refresh. I think this is older. There we go. Refresh that. And adding our go back stock item here to the job and just fulfilling that go back item. And here it is again on the compiled. And that's it for the intro to go backs.